people thought he was nuts.
I mean, I really didn't want to tell you about it because that would be the response would be, are you crazy? Why would you take this risk?
But the laid-off engineer always wanted his own business. He paid about $1 million for a precast concrete company since construction in his area is over.
And I'm having a great time, I'll say that.
Pandemic suits small businesses like his are hot. I'm Laura Rivera, Bloomberg Business on WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
The state is opening up.
Massachusetts begins to slowly reopen.
Business is coming back.
And here we go.
And so is traffic. Traffic on the 3, WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
JB Sash & Door is one of the largest modern window and door dealers in New England. Come explore our state-of-the-art showroom and design center in Chelsea. JB Sash has a huge display of windows and doors from Marvin, and we can help customize finishes, hardware, and more. Our experts will help you find the perfect Marvin solution for any project. Whether you need new or replacement windows and doors, JB Sash makes buying Marvin easy and stress-free. Visit us online at jdsash.com. We are JB Sash & Door. For Marvin windows.
To paraphrase Bob Dylan's famous song, the lights there are changing. Yes, indeed, there's a tidal wave of changes in lighting, and more than ever before, you need to see, feel, touch the light fixture before you buy it. You need to talk to the experts. You need to understand more.
Kennebunkport, Maine, beach.
And incandescent. Nina's is your only real choice, where you can see the most extensive, jaw-dropping selection of premier lighting choices. And here's the clincher. Nina's guarantees that your price will be the same or more than any e-commerce website. So